Come back to my channel. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix scrap mechanic game crashing or crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, or other issues on PC. So the very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users click on Steam. After that, click on exit. Now click on Windows icon. After that, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC or Steam. And once your PC Steam restarts, now check the game if it's launching. If not, next is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game. Here I'm showing an example. Now right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. From here you have to select the application, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If this doesn't work, come back again. This time select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7. Hit on apply and OK, and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to disable full screen automatizations. So select and after that click on click on apply and OK, and then launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK, and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the search option, search for device manager. Now here you have to expand a display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already given in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the search option, search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and net protection. Click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, after that select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this may take some time, wait for it. Once the game files are verified, launch the game and check. Next is to update Windows. So make sure Windows is up to date. For that, go to the search option, search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates, and if there is an update available, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on, and under general here you have to type -DX11 under launch option and then check if the game is launching or opening or not. If it doesn't work, come back again, type -DX12 and then check if the game is launching. If this also doesn't work, come back, this time copy this and paste it in the option over here, launch option, and then check if it's working. So here you have to put no mem forwards. If this doesn't work, remove the launch option and move to the next method. The next method is to perform a clean boot. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type msconfig. Press enter. This will open system configuration page. Here you have to click on services tab, select hide all Microsoft services, click on disable all. After that, go to the startup tab, click on open task manager. After that, click here also you have to do the same thing. You have to select the apps, and after that click on disable. After that, go back, click on OK, and once done, now launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to delete cache. So for that, you have to press Windows plus R and have to type %app data %. After that, go to the Exolog games scrap mechanic user folder. Here you have to delete the cache folder entirely. After that, open Steam, right click on the game, select properties, go to the install files and click verify integrity of game files. Once done, navigate to your Steam content folder and delete any outdated mods. Now after deleting the outdated mods, again launch Steam and click on the play button of the game to check if it's working. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, now here you have to select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given the link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. After the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it, click on yes, wait for some time. And once you get set up successful message, close this. After that, you have to restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, again launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties under general. Here you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this option is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, now launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, then you are suggested to reinstall the game once. So for that, go to Steam, select your game under library section, right click on it, click on manage, now click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, now launch Steam and again reinstall Scrap Mechanic game, and finally click on the play button to check whether the game is launching or opening or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Scrap Mechanic game crashing at startup, stuck on loading screen, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS issue on PC. So that's all for this video. Thank you.